अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, आपका एसके ट्यूशन क्लासेस में स्वागत है। आज मैं इंग्लिश की रीडिंग करूँगा। जैसा कि सबक का नाम है मलाई कथूनी। वन डे इन द ट्रेबल समर सीजन ऑफ 1979 चेंज द लाइफ ऑफ जादव Payang. He lived in the small village on the banks of the Brahmaputra. The Brahmaputra is a great river. In place, it is more than 7-8 kilometers wide. It has many sandbars and even in island known as Majuli Island. Waters of the Brahmaputra often flood Majuli and the sandbars. At times, the river even sweep away some of the sandbars. When Yadav was about 50 years old, he saw a terrible sign on of the sandbars. On one of the sandbars, thousands of snakes lay dead. They had been washed ashore with the flood with no trace to protect them. They had all dead in the scalding sun. Jadhav was simply horrified. He sat down and wept there, and then he found his mission to turn the sandy, barren land green with trees. For more than 30 long years, Jadhav Payang toilet on the dry, barren area and transformed it into a forest. Without trees, we will all suffer and die. इसके आगे हम अगले वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे। मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। इस चैनल को लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो। खुदा हाफिज़।